It's time for the first edition of Targets in Focus. I'm Monica Gibson, and joining me down the line to give his currency forecasts is Beat Siegentaler. Beat, the euro-dollar was steady as we started the new trading week, but the euro prefers to watch the Fed speakers after the failure to shed any light as to when a pullback on the bond buying scheme may commence. The US authorities are at it again in terms of budget talks, and some analysts believe a government shutdown is becoming more likely. But what is your outlook for the euro against the dollar firstly, then versus the sterling amid a strengthening UK economy, and the potential subsequent impact on the cable as well?
It looks very much as if euro-dollar goes up, but I would say that the ECB will pretty soon come in and put an end to that, be it via verbal intervention. I think it's going to be a problem if we were to go to 136.78, something like that, and they will make that clear, and they have the certainly the justification and the possibility to put interest rates lower still, and I think they are going to do that. The US side, the dollar side, with the tapering or the no tapering has obviously been the focus, and I think investors can't quite make up their mind right now whether they think this was a major change or whether it was just postponing the tapering. I mean, there's lots and lots of uncertainty, but I think on the UK side, what is clear is that the UK economy has been strong, even very strong, and so there's no question that the Bank of England could do any more easing, whereas you know, on the US side it's less clear. Even on the euro side, it's less clear as well. So I would think sterling will continue to do quite well, both on cable against the dollar, but also on euro sterling.
Even though services PMI came in stronger than expected in France, Germany and the Eurozone as a whole, all three manufacturing PMIs disappointed, weighing on the euro. But how do you see it trading in the 1, 3 and 12 month timeframe against the Bank of Japan's efforts to weaken the yen?
I think it's a competition between two currencies that will weaken. So it's I don't think euro yen is kind of the trade there, because both I would expect to do to weaken against the dollar and also against sterling. I think the euro, because I believe the ECB will deliver another rate cut, will deliver further easing, and probably the Bank of Japan as well. You know, I think for the Bank of England, there's no, as I said, there's no question that they would do more. And on the Fed, I think it's on the brink. Kind of, if we have a couple of strong data, people will talk about tapering very, very quickly once again.
Beat, thank you so much for your outlook today. Viewers, thank you very much for watching, and for a look at the events which could move and shake the markets over the coming days, please do click back for our Week Ahead programme with Dear McDermott. Goodbye for now.